Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must act fast. Once a message is deleted, the phone may overwrite its storage. First, enable airplane mode and avoid installing apps. Connect the phone to a PC, enable USB file transfer or ADB, and create a complete image if possible. Then check Google Drive and any app backups like SMS backup and restore or WhatsApp cloud copies. You do this because recovering from an image or backup preserves raw data and prevents further overwrites. So start here, right now. Once you have an image or confirmed no cloud backup, run a recovery tool that supports SMS and app databases. Use a non-destructive scan mode first. This searches for deleted SQLite records and message fragments. If the device is unrooted and the app needs deeper access, consider temporary root only after imaging. Rooting changes data and can void warranties. Make sure to export recovered records to XML or CSV so you can verify timestamps, senders, and complete message bodies before attempting a restore. Now import the recovered file into your messaging app using a compatible importer, then open Conversations to confirm thread continuity and timestamps. Once done, make sure app permissions allow SMS and storage access so messages appear properly. If some items remain missing, check carrier title logs or request message copies from recipients, because carriers sometimes keep records. One troubleshooting tip: if scans find fragments but not full messages, rerun a deeper scan on the image. Don't operate the original device or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.